Dear friends, today's world is full of challenges for young people, especially the youth and the children. They face a lot of challenges in different areas of their lives, and therefore what is important is there is somebody to guide them, to give them advice on certain aspects of things that they face in their lives, especially the challenges and the difficulties. Allan Productions' latest song deals with this. And we have a friend, Clessy, who has in a way tried to write this new song to inspire the youth and the children so that they can chase their dreams, so that they can channel their inner energies and use it positively for a good cause. So let's together watch this new video which Clessy has in a way specially made and dedicated for the youth and children of today.
Wherever you may never give up, reach new heights. You be the inspiration for the coming generation. Children like you, children and youth like you. You be the inspiration for the coming generation. Youth like you, children and youth like you.
Will make you shine. Sometimes it's challenging. Every storm still pass in time. Stay strong and keep going. You will be the example of something unforgettable. Children like you, children and youth like you. You will be the example of something unforgettable. Youth like you, children and youth like you.
Children like you, children and youth like you. You be the inspiration for the coming generation. Youth like you, children and youth like you. You be the example of something unforgettable. Youth like you, children and youth like you. One more time. You're the future leaders. You are our hope. Children like you, children and youth like you. You be the inspiration for the coming generation.
Teacher, I'm struggling to find confidence in my ability. What should I do?
Yes, teacher. What should we do?
Students, believe in yourself. You have a bright future. Let your dreams unfold. Go out there and shine.
Thank you,